In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to participate on the current Binance launch pool farming called Portal that is on the Binance platform right now using your mobile phone or through your Binance app. So watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time on this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also, check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis and other opportunity in the crypto space. So let's dive right into today's video. So all you need to do to participate on the Binance launch pool or farm a token on the Binance platform is to be a registered Binance user, and you have to ensure that you are verified. And after that, you have to have the token you want to stake on Binance. Let's say, for example, you want to use BNB, you must have BNB in your spot wallet, or FDUSD, you must have that very token in your spot wallet. So all you need to do next is to go to this very search icon, and then you click on this, and then you tap on launch pool or launch pad. Anyone will go. So if you tap on launch pad, it will bring this up, and you click on this launch pad token launch platform. So if I click on this, it will take me to this very page where you have portal farming. So this is very, very new on the Binance launch pool platform. And we have the total reward for this farming period is 50 million portal. And this farming period is going to last for 7 days. And right now we are 3 days behind. That means we have 4 days, 12 hours, and 15 minutes left for this farming to end. But you can still participate, no doubt. Okay, so after knowing all this, it is very important for you to know a brief or get a brief information about the project so that you know what you are investing in or what you are staking or what you are farming. So to do that, you go to this very project information. So on this project information, you see that the summary of the project is at this very point where you see a cross-chain gaming platform with a mission to onboard many players to Web3. So conclusively, what it means is that this platform will give access to developers and players to have access to Web3 space or the Web3 industry. So if you want to find more or get more detail about the token and the white paper, you go to the website or click on the white paper right here, and you get that information right away. And the next thing you also have to understand is pool details. So if you want to stake in the BNB pool or you want to stake in the FDUSD pool, you must know about the pool detail, because knowing about the pool detail will also give you an idea about the pool that will give you the maximum reward. So Binance pool or the BNB pool always give the maximum reward in most cases. So if you look at this very area for the BNB pool, which is the staking token BNB, we have the total BNB pool reward to be this, which is 40 million at this very point. This is today pool reward, and this is the maximum hourly reward as of today, and this is the total BNB stake right now. And the farming period remains 7 days for the two pools. And if you go down, this is the same pool detail for the FDUSD pool. So this is very, very important. You have to check this yourself and know the pool that will best benefit you. Okay, so these two pools have different reward. So if you look at this only have 10 million of this very token that will be reward for this very pool, but this have 40 million. Okay, so it will be better for you to go with this very BNB pool. This is very, very important. So you quickly go back to this pool section right here, and you can now stake your token. So all you need to do to stake is to click on stake right here for the BNB pool, or you click on stake right here for the FDUSD pool. So let's say, for example, you already have BNB in your spot wallet. So all you need to do is to click on this stake. So if I click on stake, it will bring me to this very page. So if you read this, you have your BNB will be deducted from your spot account and logged into your launch pool account within your savings wallet. So what this means is that your launch pool account is under your savings wallet. So any token that you are putting into this farming period will be locked for this period. Okay, so after the farming period, the token will be released for you, and the coin that is on farming will also be given to you as well. So all you need to do is to put the amount you want to stake. Let's say, for example, you have 1,000 in your BNB balance right here. That is the available balance. And if you have 1,000 and you want to stake 500 of your token, you just put 500, and this very stake token will be activated, and then you stake. Okay, if you want to stake the entire balance or the available BNB you have in your account, then you can just put max. So once you put max, it automatically puts the entire BNB you have, and then this stake button will be active for you to click and stake your token. This is very, very simple and straightforward. And the same thing apply to the FD pool right at this very point. So you can either stake in the BNB pool or stake in the FD pool at this very point. Like I said, the BNB pool will give you more reward compared to the FD pool because of the amount of this very token allocated to each of these pools. So this is very, very important. Now, the last thing you need to understand is that there are rules you have to follow for you to have good or reasonable amount of a token. And the number one thing you must have to do is to start staking immediately. Binance give this information. For us right now, we are already late by 3 days. So, but this is not a problem anyway. So if you are late right now, you can stake and get the reward for the remaining 4 days. So ensure that you always get this information, or check the Launchpad platform to get updated on the next farming period. So always ensure that you stake very, very early, because your rewards start counting the day you start your staking. And the second thing you must have to understand is that the more coin you stake, the more your reward. So when you stake a little coin, let's say 50 BNB in this very case for the BNB pool, or you stake 100 BNB, don't expect anything much. Okay, if you want to really gain massively from farming on Binance, you must have to stake above 1,000 BNB, which is very, very important. If you stake 1,000 BNB, you will get massive token, and this is a safe investment. And when you stake, you have to understand that your token is already locked for these 7 days, or the number of days the farming period is going to last. And then the last thing you must have to do is to choose wisely your pool. For example, I've already told you that the BNB pool have the best kind of reward, and that is what you should always choose when you are staking on Binance or farming on Binance. Now, one disadvantage about staking on the BNB pool is that when BNB is dropping and you are holding BNB in this pool, the value of your BNB will also drop. And one advantage of staking in the BNB pool is that when BNB is increasing and you stake on the BNB pool, that BNB that is locked in this very pool will also increase when it is released and you set for profit. Now, one strategy that you can also do is that you can buy BNB prior to the announcement of this very farming, because definitely a lot of persons is going to buy BNB to stake in this very farming process. So before the farming will start, you buy BNB prior to the announcement of this very pool, of this very farming period, which is very, very important. In that way, you will gain massively from BNB price movement, even though you don't necessarily stake in this very pool. This is very, very important. The advantage of staking in the FD pool is that it is a stable coin. So whether the price come down or go up, it does not really affect your staking. The coin you stake in this very pool is intact because it is a stable coin. So you can go right away to your Binance account and stake. So that is what you need to do to participate in the Portal farming. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.